When your Spectrum router's WPS button isn't working, start with the basics. First, locate the WPS button on the back of your router. It's usually near the Ethernet ports. Press and hold the WPS button for exactly 2 to 3 seconds. Many people don't hold it long enough. You should see a blinking light indicating WPS is active. If the WPS button still doesn't work, check your router's settings. Look for a label on the back of your router that shows the login information, including the IP address. Open a web browser and type the IP address shown on your router's label, typically 192.168.1.1. Use the default login credentials, usually admin, for both username and password. Once logged into your router's interface, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Look for WPS options and make sure WPS is enabled. Some routers have WPS disabled by default. If WPS is enabled but still not working, try restarting your router. Unplug the power cable, wait exactly 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple restart often resolves connectivity issues. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Warning: this will erase all your custom settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your network. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the WPS issue, it's time to contact Spectrum support. They can provide additional assistance or determine if there's a hardware problem with your router. If your WPS button isn't working, or if you're concerned about security, there are better alternatives for connecting devices to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. The most reliable method is manually entering your Wi-Fi password on each device. This traditional approach works on all devices and provides better security than WPS. Another convenient option is using the Spectrum mobile app for device management. This app provides a streamlined connection process and additional network management features. Now let's discuss why these alternatives are often better than WPS. WPS has known security vulnerabilities that make it a target for cybercriminals. For maximum security, cybersecurity experts recommend disabling WPS entirely in your router settings. Here's what the WPS settings page looks like on most routers. By using manual password entry or the Spectrum app instead of WPS, and disabling WPS in your router settings, you'll have a more secure and reliable Wi-Fi network. These stronger authentication methods protect your network from potential security threats.